Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on what I think is the best portable dishwasher out there. After doing quite a bit of research, I'm extremely happy with this, and I hadn't seen too many reviews on this, so I thought I'd give you guys my 2 cents, kind of based off my experience, and let you know what I thought. It's by a company called Danby, and the specific model number is pretty long. It's DDW1801MWP, and I'll post a link in the description below just to clarify if you want to know the exact model that I'm talking about. If you click the link in the description below that'll say link, that's the one that I'm talking about. So anyway, why do I like this thing so much? First, and probably the most important thing, is it cleans very well. I've used other portable dishwashers in the past that do not clean very, very well. They're kind of either too small or too cheap. For whatever reason, they don't put the same quality like motors and components inside, and they don't clean as well. This one cleans exceptionally well. It's got an all stainless steel interior, and it just cleans your dishes and stuff as well as any normal dishwasher that I've ever used. Second, and another important thing too, is the build quality. If you're not familiar with Danby, they make really good stuff, and this one's no exception. The build quality and the fit and finish and everything on this is very, very good. Like I said, all stainless steel interior, so you don't ever have to worry about it rusting or anything like that. Comes with caster wheels, which is also nice if you need to move it around or anything like that, and those can also be removed if you want to put it in a more permanent place. But it's only 18 inches wide, perfect for small kitchens or places like RVs, anywhere you want to put a little extra dishwasher to use for washing dishes. Another nice thing about this one too is it's very energy and power efficient. So especially if you're using it for like a mobile setup, it only uses 3.5 gallons of water for an entire load, and it uses like almost no electricity. It's super energy efficient, which is nice. So if you're running off battery or a generator, it's not going to blow all your power just washing your dishes. It has 6 different wash cycles. I really only ever use the normal one, but it does have like a soak and a glass cycle too for stemware if you have that kind of thing. Very easy to install, comes with all the drain hoses and everything that you need, and just cleans exceptionally well. Very happy with this unit, like it a lot. Anyway, if you guys have any more questions about it, go ahead and leave them the questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and have a great day.